Hi, today I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease contrast of video in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to add your video to the timeline. So for example, I drag and drop this video to this timeline, and now I need to click on my video to select it, and I need to go to FX, and here on the search field I need to type contrast. Then on the color and image correction settings we can find contrast option. We need to drag and drop this effect to our video, and after that it will be successfully added here, and you will see here the contrast settings. On default, contrast is set to 250, but of course if you want to increase this value you need to change position of this dot to the right side. Then contrast will be increased and the effect you may see in this preview. For example, I'm going to set it on the 700, and now if you will play this video you may see that the contrast is applied to this clip. So if I helped you to use this function and change contrast in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.